Navigating the world of project management can sometimes feel like learning a new language. Terms like project and task are thrown around frequently, and while they might seem interchangeable at first glance, understanding their distinct roles is crucial for effective planning and execution, especially when utilizing powerful tools like Wrike. As a project management expert, I'm here to demystify these concepts and illuminate their differences in a way that's easy for anyone to grasp. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, think of project management as orchestrating a complex symphony. To create harmonious music, you need different sections of the orchestra playing their specific parts at the right time. In this analogy, the entire symphony represents a project, a larger undertaking with a defined objective, a specific timeline, and allocated resources. On the other hand, the individual notes played by each instrument are akin to tasks, the smaller, actionable steps required to bring the entire musical piece to life. Let's delve deeper into the characteristics that set projects and tasks apart within the Wrike ecosystem. The grand scope, understanding projects. A project in Wrike represents a significant endeavor with a clear beginning and end. It's a container that holds all the work needed to achieve a specific goal. Here are some key characteristics of a project. Defined objective. Every project aims to deliver a specific outcome, whether it's launching a new product, organizing a marketing campaign, or developing a software application. This objective provides a clear direction and focus for all the activities within the project. Specific timeline. Projects have a defined start and end date, creating a finite time frame for completion. This timeline is often broken down into phases or milestones to track progress effectively. Multiple deliverables. Achieving the project's objective often involves producing several tangible or intangible results, known as deliverables. These could be reports, designs, working software, or completed events. Resource allocation. Projects require the allocation of various resources, including team members, budget, equipment, and time. Effective resource management is critical for project success. Cross-functional collaboration. Projects often involve collaboration among individuals or teams with different skills and expertise to achieve the overarching goal. Higher level of management projects require a higher level of planning, monitoring, and control to ensure they stay on track, within budget, and meet the defined objectives. Project managers typically oversee the entire project lifecycle. Wrike representation. In Wrike, a project is typically represented as a top-level folder or a specific project type. It acts as a central hub for all related tasks, subtasks, files, and communication. The building blocks, dissecting tasks. Tasks, on the other hand, are the individual, actionable units of work that need to be completed to move the project forward. They are the to-do items that contribute directly to the project's deliverables. Here's what defines a task in Wrike. Actionable steps. Tasks are specific actions that can be assigned to individuals or teams. They are usually described using action verbs, such as write a blog post, design a logo, or conduct user testing. Smaller scope. Compared to projects, tasks have a much narrower focus and a shorter duration. They represent individual pieces of work within the larger project framework. Direct contribution to deliverables. Each task is designed to contribute directly to the creation of one or more of the project's deliverables. Completing all the necessary tasks leads to the successful completion of the project. Assignment and accountability. Tasks are typically assigned to specific individuals or teams, making them accountable for their completion. This ensures clarity of responsibility and facilitates progress tracking. Defined deadlines. While a project has an overall timeline, individual tasks have their own deadlines, contributing to the project's overall schedule. Lower level of management. Tasks are managed at a more granular level, focusing on their execution and timely completion. Task management is often integrated within the broader project management framework. Wrike representation. In Wrike, tasks are listed within projects or folders. They can have attributes like assignees, due dates, priorities, statuses, and dependencies. The interplay, how projects and tasks work together in Wrike. Projects and tasks are not isolated entities. They are intrinsically linked and work in tandem to achieve project goals within Wrike. Think of it like a hierarchy. Projects are the containers. They provide the overarching structure and context for all the work being done. Tasks are the content within the containers. They are the specific actions that fill the project and drive it towards completion. Subtasks further break down tasks. Complex tasks can be further divided into smaller, more manageable subtasks. This allows for a more granular level of planning and tracking. In Wrike, you would typically create a project first, defining its objectives, timeline, and key milestones. Then, you would break down the project into a series of actionable tasks, assigning them to team members with specific deadlines. As team members complete their assigned tasks, the project progresses towards its final goal. Illustrative examples. To solidify your understanding, let's consider a few examples. Project: launching a new company website. Tasks: conduct keyword research, design website mockups, develop website content, build the website on a chosen platform, conduct website testing, deploy the website, implement SEO strategies. Project: organizing a virtual conference. Tasks: define conference theme and agenda, secure keynote speakers, create registration forms, promote the conference through various channels, manage technical setup for virtual sessions, coordinate with presenters, gather post-conference feedback.